So ito po yung meron na po tayong official identification card or ID for DepEd employees. And here is the new template for DepEd employees identification card as per DepEd order number 31 series of 2019. Okay. So kasi importante itong malaman natin kasi maraming lumalabas na mga format kung ano ba talaga yung ID na gagamitin ng mga employee natin sa DepEd. Actually sa panahong ito, we actually need these IDs kasi during sa mga inspection, kapag pumupunta tayo sa mga lugar, tinitignan kung ano yung pinagtatrabaho, saan tayo nagtatrabaho at ano yung available ID natin. So isa dito is we should have our employee ID. Okay, so ito yung DepEd official ID. So the DepEd ID is vertical and has the size of an automated teller machine or ATM card. Yung laki niya ha. For the whole department, blue is for the third level positions appointed by the President of the Philippines. Red is for the chiefs and other plantilla positions or regular items. At yung yellow naman is for the contract of service and consultants. Ayan ha. So klaro po yun. In front of the card, ito po yung makikita natin sa front ng card natin or yung ID natin. The DepEd seal and logo. Name of photo and photo of employee number and position are placed also. At saka sa likuran naman ng ID natin is yung employee's name and signature, address and contact details. Ayun. And of course, yung company name and signature of the secretary and the statement. In case of emergency, please contact something like that. O yun yung nakasulat kung sino yung tatawagan just in case may magkaroon ng problema. Is also written. A space for the employees. Other information is also provided. Ayan ha. So yun yung susundin natin na ID ngayon, and we cannot rely on other IDs format since ito naman talaga yung binigay natin na official ID. Okay, to ensure card authenticity and to reduce the chances of fraudulent or reproduction of ID cards, please contact the personnel division at nagkapag-provide kayo or let's say nakapag-produce kayo ng hindi official. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin doon, and I don't have an idea kung paano kayo makikipag-usap sa management or sa admin, no? But so far so good. Ito po yung itsura niya, and hindi ko alam kung ano ang susundin, kung susundin natin ba or kayo na. It's up to you to decide. Okay, so thank you so much for this for watching, especially for this simple guidelines in making official ID for DepEd employees. Okay, thank you so much.